Hello, 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 lovely people. I welcome you to Nurse Life TV. I hope everybody is doing well. So, this is a quick 1 to 2 minute video. I am up and about. I am still on my DNP journey at Capella University. And to be honest with you, it's been very, very challenging because they've changed a lot of things, making it very hard, even with a flex path. So I've had some people say, oh, once you are done with your didactic courses, can you post it so we can use it as guideline? Well, there you have it. You can um, either get in touch with me and pay the money directly to me, and I'll send you the file directly, or you can hop on to my PayHip store. That's the link directly, and you see it in the video description or the comment section. So head down there, grab you this bundle, and then use it to write your own the eight courses didactic for the DNP if you have reached that level. And if you don't have the money to afford to pay writers to write your course, you can buy this one time, and then it's going to use you. You're not going to submit my work, but it will help you to know what exactly to write. Okay, what exactly to write, that you will not have to struggle and then go first, second, third attempt to submit something, because I have gone through that for you, and that's why you are paying for this. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. Head to the store or get in touch with me. You all know my number or my email. Get in touch, and I will see you on the next level. Bye bye.